church will be bia well and none of pay and then you marry and how much baby I will share me if you be Emadek and I'm here in person moving come back home in be Nanini Nafa and since some air course so it will be you come and as his manager no so this time seven from Baba can send back home in be a farm. Now there has been so many issues behind the scenes and I say air course and as a team, as management, it is time I was say, yeah, clear air, near my Ghana for United warm once. We love our fans so much, we love everybody. We'll be our share Emadek TV, we'll be our share Beyou comedy. Yami Inshallah, Esikukuti, one time playman, Kwame Eugene Kwaku from Pong, Beyou Nankasa, Yami Inshallah, BPR or supporter. The fan, I mean the work, the fan base no so massive out there. Now, in some na maybe I can ye breaking on that before I started with Beyou in some na nkasano. But some didn't can assemble could be the former manager of Akete Mpeninsem. Boss, so over Kaimia before Ansana only Akete and I said only Akete started some way last year. Maybe can't say be and I say instead BPPA ma over can't say building can't say be say I mean we interview a grantee interview say open say and can only be you mukotnasi and answer open say can oh yeah na mukotnasi na ka washe say Akete videos are only be you a year and maybe to the dietary munina no na come calculate sika bia for now because we did this video you go for for that social for now no sika bia ebi every month be a be pew no na nka chese yate akora ne de ama no asem we o kan ye mu bi be so ma o de abufu kotinat I mean a whole lot of bloggers be platform ke kan wa dwen me kra de also share physical obebo me ye ma o kan studio say chese wadwa wo yi watade ani me wo ho a obebo me rough ene ukro no asen aba be gina platform so san ke kan sem a chese woni papa je interview obuafu gidigidi do you know something? You are frustrated, you are pained because Akete Mpeninsem videos na one ye and answer started say when akwara na ye adwuma ne say wa adwumu na ka sa akwara no srade won ho ntin wo bete o ka say ewo e won ho enti ube squeeze ube extract ewo no afri no ho. Unfortunately no anko the way you plan ye because adwuma mo ye nyina ni sika mo nya ye ni nyina no ne wo ebeye wo share no kra no ye mo hyew. So what you say? And you see, you made it look like say when you are getting paying some ba be ye adwuma na no ne ba be ye no wo mpa akra ni sika because wo de akoma pa wo yi wo yam na wo bo akra no wo de wo ye ne say mo na wo bo me wa na ni akra na contract 40%. 40-60 nti akra ne de ne 60 wo de obi a wo ba be bo akwala a woni ne ye adwuma enye wo sika na de ye production enye wo bibia na de ye production because nkofo na de sika na de ba cameras are no more funny ade enye wo na wotwa cameras ne ka nkofo na etwetwa ka nkofo na support akra na de sika ba. But at the end of the day, you know, this is the amount of money you were taking. And now I said this is what you have planned to say at the end of the day no obeje 40-60 all the same yeah, because your effort was seen by a majority of the people na ben. But you see, I don't want you to come and sit there and act like someone who is so mad and angry about Akete Mpeninsem because mama no obo wabaso kra e woni videos na oye ni obo wabaso woni na contract na contract no ewu. So if you say or the nebani bakwa koma will be a person the command be na and how okay say will be chow on throne or car say was some that be whatever it is and no shouldn't be your problem because when no I and the contract a can be or fast be or because of their chronic corner and how contract and according to 1 year. It was not like say when you were either so our contract and our yes say on ye now contract now a day a chum. Enti fasade no fashi wutrim na mo akoma amra form okay na mo akoma amra form that energy na wanya na obu afu no fa sa energy no kwhye wo YouTube channel ni so what say energy no kwhye wo YouTube channel because YouTube channel issue ba ye gidigidi wa kwakogina ba bia ye video wo de kwoto hoping say anka be ko nsa anko because wonnam na woni tete nkofo adwuma mu ni ade ba wo videos ne de o de ne de on pese wo de ho baba be shim. Some of us know we know where we are coming from and yen mesoso wo ntokwaso but I'm just want to remind you say wadwen efa wo tirim say na anka wonim say o beboa akwala no amasika ba na wanya bia di ni ade ni watwe because won say sade wa akwala no anko ya mfa mount we ma hwe ya o ya meboa lucky crown wanya sa Akete Mpeninsem maame mo de say sika na de brew because sika na mo de brew no crown ye calculate ana ni san ka sika na mo de ma you know why me ametie me na me ye wo mo YouTube channel ni ma wo mo o mo ani kan ya ntwen masika na megu wo mo account nim na mo kopa bosia na mo de brew ana mo kopa bosia e de brew se ne be ya wo beji wo hye nanka necessary or be ba o makote bosia na me unfortunately no mo refi say YouTube et tax o mo ni mu say YouTube e bet tax enti me ye adni we YouTube for san be te wo mo tax de te wo mo tax no e mo mo kra mo san kokodim na san ko munya abotre ena nka sika ni nyina ba bediku wo mo account man san na mo calculate sa 40% na de abrewa nka obo se sika na onya ye kra enya no na wo san ka wunya kan so sa ka ebi kra nka sa media nka mnim se ko akoma mu no but pozu o kasa bia na media na media the majority of the Ghanaians wo mo ni minim se me wa but the moment I start kasa na obi ahun se onya ho brase no bia hu se onya ho brase ene Emadek me catch from say bro ho ase na push your YouTube channel ebe boa ben nipa ben kofo talk to them humble yourself let them help you to push your YouTube channel ebe boa chance we be pije we beti abetna ho after say we gu ma me ni ase wow and I love Beyou. You don't love Beyou. Stop saying that. You don't love Beyou. All right, back to the main issue. Akete Mpeninsem any Beyou in seminar. I ain't bia as a management. Yatna say adwene. It has not been easy for the guy. It has not been easy for the guy. Comments are eba. Some traction na be great traction one is or no one personal DM moon and someone of worker and also son. Now you have to take this decision based on the fans for feelings. Saying and the fans for who no. Majority of the fans are saying same man Koja Kolano. They are so disappointed in Beyou if he goes out there, or they'll be disappointed in him if he goes back there and decide to work with the child again. And also will decide to work with that girl again. They are not happy with it. They are not happy with it. So energy. What is this guy going to do? Now he's stuck in between the fans. Say, Ofana, ye no nyejuma, we so fana, yen show video, we so fano yen show video, we so one kwa jena yen show video, we so jena ye show video. He doesn't even know what to do anymore. But for the love of a woman, the fans no. He still has to take a decision now. Every man the fans for any aje. We ye no free one so one. And kolano no mu ye juma na ye esi kukuti. One time playman, and his uncle no, or mamma menom. The love of much or no a brand here no. Commitment woman show baby a brand no could be our moody chino. On to me disappointed one just like that. On to me new woman and to baby. We are no free one so in a bushia as a family. Or no Beyou na busunya ne mame ekotena ho ne Akete mame di nkomo ne those things ne ade nyina mame no peniye de man ba no family no matter what happens busunya ya busunya and he has to take a decision now. Will you go in favor of ne mame and answer against or in favor of the family and answer against the family and easy. Financial aspects say Beyou ekofa akola ne neighbor be kan ho a the sika sem et same Akwan obefa so obetua nkwala ni nyina aka na otua Akete kuraka. All these things the adibia na aircourse were branded no etrim. And he was going through a lot, thinking so much as to what to do. Ebema ne fans of when aje, ebema enkofu eni aje no man say no, the guy has really taken a decision now. Ebebua yina. It was not easy. We thought of all these things. Cause a free a fan base commenter, a man for a comment or other enkofu bloggers for pages, whatever it is. It has not been easy. Unless it's the godson, my godfather, ever frame me. Emma menene kasaye, me interview, and trust me, say, ye interview, one or two courses be a mania, and some messages be a mania, or my personal DM, know whatever it is. No, I mean, it's not easy. Ebimu dimatem, ebimu can whatever they want to say. But the truth is, we all want the best. Look, I personally love Akete. Me do Akete. So obana me page Akete dinabo me boa. Obana meni Akete mu di aid, ameni Akete aid di agra. There are so many things na me encourage me to put it in place for Akete. It's rather unfortunate say Enyema ensisi so amma yenya enough time to do that for the girl. Okay, Enyema ensisi so. Beyou edo Akete Akete asem. And taking a decision, say, on to me, Akete nyadwuma and answer whatever it is. No, it was not going to be an easy thing for Beyou at all. It was not going to be an easy thing for Beyou because he knows how or Pakolana said. He still wishes say Anka Kolani bone to me nyadwuma. Whoever that will come and pick Akolan so in the nyadwuma no nipa no mo Akolan. But now a decision has to be taken. Please, fans of Forno, mon come up man to me. Mon cause one should be you comedy. Now mon support to be you comedy. Ye domo, this is in your most more doye. Ye pemasem, this is in the most more payasem. Obi bia one way or the other, no, when ya attend can be say the decision na ye taking no a decision be say ebia anko yaman, Miss Rock Makuma 2 yem. And ye fault. Yan sheda we hope you say anasi ye nyanyanka ye betimi aye ne saa. But it's rather unfortunate. Yakuma muni dear. Beyou men can't say only anything against Akete mame, only anything against Akete, only anything against Akete ebibia. But just say enyemomuna demand at this time. To be able to take a decision, you know, he was confused. We need to go deep to think about so many factors. Beyou mame, ma obatampa, the sro fire bonne chair. Say upon a bia okotina bontu nyina no abase yentumi ne akola na nsa anya adwuma because enye easy edemaye. Abusuafo ni nyina mo kama kuma ntumu yem. Na whatever decision be I take here no a decision na ebeboa ye adwuma ebeboa brand no esikokoti mame ene ne papa one time play mame ene ne papa kwaku from pom obia mo kama kuma ntumu yem. This time around Beyou comedy ebe rise big. There are so many things I eba be esremo emre mu ye den na mo ho emra you guys were there for us, and so I mean this is not the time for us to say be betray more. Yet you nim somewhat in same be brave, but more come up to him. Muni why in ho. And so the truth is, Akete Mpeninsem, we love her, but I confirm to you say yen to me ne Akete Mpeninsem enye adwuma biem. As a team, Beyou comedy, we cannot work with Akete Mpeninsem. And as a crafufro bin ye kofano dinabe kan team no ho. Fair enough. But Akete Mpeninsem as a person, even if we need, I mean, she needed help, we might probably help her from afar. Or we chiri and ye be buane free ho. But say ye didn't ben ye team nim abe bu Akete Mpeninsem there. I want to say it and say it again and confirm it to you guys. Akete Mpeninsem is not coming to Beyou comedy and will not be part of Beyou comedy again. Intimisramo. Obia asem we aha obia no. Firebone chair. A man we who ebufuo enkese no nti wo hia ya obetwam. Wo ye videos a hwe. Na se wo ye shoe ni atenka na ye nya na ka bia nka obeti ase. Nyame show obi bia wo hwe Beyou comedy. Nyame show obi bia wo hwe esikukoti one time play ma opem wa masem. Keep on supporting us. Keep on pushing the brand. And repam mu nyina mu benya ho so mo ani beje se mo boaye tie baya ya asem nyina no it's sad, but we need to take that decision. So Akete Mpeninsem is not coming to be a comedy, and it is confirmed. Thank you so much. God bless you.